kid pulls up with a motorized bicycle.
So much.
Oh my. Sounds like a chainsaw.
Welcome back to part 2. Today we're going to be making the forks and tying up other loose ends. Hopefully next episode I'll have some more clips. This one will be a bit shorter, but as it's only a 4-day week for me, it's all I can do. Here we go.
So I got a lot done today. I got the engine mount tacked in again. I made this piece, and then I took some flat stuff there and put her on. So that's all mounted, and then I did the bends for my forks. Turned out perfectly. So this is the engine is perfect on here. So once that's mounted, just permanently, then I can cut these out. But for now, I'm just bending them. So I got the forks cut out. I've got little slots in here on both sides. This one I messed up the first time, so I had to weld in. Don't worry about that. I cut these little brackets out. They're gonna slide in here like that. I'll weld them in, and then the axle will be going through here for the front wheel, and I'll weld a little bolt to it, to the axle, and then have a nut on this side, so then I can tighten it to the wheel. And yeah, that's my forks. So as you can see, I got a lot done today. Got the forks done. That took a very long time to align, and they look absolutely stellar. So yeah, hopefully part 3, I'll have a roller. That was my goal today, but we had to do extra cleanup as it's a quarter switch, so that's kind of hard to explain. But hopefully next class and the next couple of days, I should be able to get a roller. So part 3, let's just say part 3 is getting a roller done.
Anyway, apologies for the shorter video, but that's all I got for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.